Yeah, not everybody's trying to build a quarter-mile car, guys, you know, and a lot of people are in cars, brand new cars, and they just want to have a little bit more fun. And, you know, these 3 items will certainly improve your overall experience owning your car. So, you know what? I hope this helps. And you know what? Enjoy modding. It's part of the fun of having these cars. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're going to go over 3 modifications that you can do to your car that will not void your warranty. And these 3 modifications will, performance-wise, help the car that you're in. It will overall just make your driver experience a lot better. Now, once you start getting into heavy modifications, you run the risk of voiding your warranty. Okay? It kind of depends on your relationship, where you're from with your Dodge dealer. I have gone to my dealer with an intake and a catback exhaust. They didn't say really anything. Had I spoke to the manager, they said if I had headers, if I went, you know, put a cam in there, supercharger, that kind of stuff, they would most likely give me a hard time. Yes, they have to prove that your modification screwed up your car. That being said, they don't have to do the work until it is proven, so that could take who knows how long. Also, too, every warranty work, anything that's warranted, gets submitted to Dodge, where it then goes to an approval process. If your dealer is cool, they will make it work. If your dealer is not cool, they will make sure that Dodge is aware that you have a modded car. So, with that being said, we can jump into the 3 best modifications that you can do to avoid any of this nonsense, okay? You will be able to mod, and you will not have to worry about going to a Dodge dealer and being at the mercy of what they say. So, the number 1 thing has to be the stage kits, okay? Dodge has Stage 1, 2, and 3 performance kits, okay? These will actually improve the performance of your car. Unfortunately, it's exclusive to the 5.7. In Stage 1, you get an upgraded intake, a catback exhaust. In Stage 2, I believe you get a cam and shorty headers, something along those lines. So, you know, these 3 stages, after you do it, you should be roughly about 80 horsepower. And yeah, the only problem is based on where you live and your emissions rules determines how far in the stages you can actually go. I've heard a lot of people have, success with going up to Stage 2 and actually, walking away with more than what was advertised in the horsepower and torque ranges. So that is from a performance angle. If you're really looking for performance, be prepared to actually spend the money, though, and the struggle would be actually finding a Dodge dealer to install these kits for you. That is why I didn't continue down the stage routes. I could not find a Dodge dealer that was educated enough about these stage kits to actually implement, install them properly and everything. So that is number 1. The Mopar stage kits, the Scat Pack stage kits. Number 2 is the tazer. Okay, the tazer is one of the first modifications that almost everyone in a Charger, a Challenger, any of these really Mopars gets. Okay, the reason why is because it unlocks a lot of the features that like Hellcats have, and the higher trim levels. Okay, it even unlocks some really cool things that are hidden. Okay, some of the best features have to be line lock, The light show is really cool. The easy in, easy out. The fan controller, okay? You can run your fans when you're at the drag strip, let your engine cool off faster, so that's pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of things. You can have your car start in sport mode. So, you know, there's a ton of people out there that have to click sport mode every time that they go for a drive. So, you know, this tazer is filled with a lot of really cool items. And for, I think it was $300 or so, $350 range. I have to double check on that. You get a lot of stuff. You get a lot of really cool features to improve your overall driver experience in your mopar. Now, the last item is one that is really heavily debated. Okay, you're on the fence about it. You hate it. You love it. More so, you love it or hate it. The people that have it really enjoy it. The people that don't have it don't understand it and hate it. And that is the Pedal Commander. Now, the Pedal Commander is a throttle response mod, okay? And basically all you're doing is you're making your car feel more powerful.
Whoa! It's funny, right? It's funny. Wow, dude, that's a big difference.
Okay, it doesn't add horsepower, doesn't add torque, doesn't improve performance as far as I'm concerned, okay? What it will do is make accelerations a whole lot more enjoyable. It's going to make burnouts and peel-outs as easy as breathing, okay? It's going to improve your overall driver experience. Now, there's a ton of people that are hardcore, like drag strip guys, and they don't believe that you should, you know, improve your driver experience. Like, they don't believe in driver experience mods. It's either you add horsepower or you add looks, okay? There's really two modifications that you can do to your car. Improve the look or improve the power and torque. I think that there's a third modification for those of you that do not want to screw with your engine, you know, tune it and get wrapped up with the whole warranty nonsense. Or if you're just overall happy with having the amount of horsepower that you have, this device will be fun. It'll make you enjoy your car that much more. Is it worth $300? Some people say, heck yeah. I personally think it's a little overpriced for, you know, it should be probably $100, $150. But you know, when it's on and you're having some fun, you think it's worth it, you know? So, you know, the Pedal Commander is definitely the most hated, loved thing you can get out there. So yeah, not everybody's trying to build a quarter-mile car, guys, you know, and a lot of people are in cars, brand new cars, and they just want to have a little bit more fun. And you know, these three items will certainly improve your overall experience owning your car. So you know what, I hope this helps. And you know what, enjoy modding. It's part of the fun of having these cars, you know? So, all right, if you haven't liked the video, please do. If you aren't subscribed, hit that little subscribe button. And again, guys, thank you very much for all the support that I continue getting. The channel is growing. And, you know, for all of those that have been here since the early days, you know, I really do appreciate the heck out of you guys continuously watching my videos, liking and subscribing. It's because of you that the channel continues growing. No, you just got it. Oh yeah, you should have shut your windows.